Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Toyota HiAce long wheel base van, stock reference number 4033. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2005 through to the 4th month 2019. It has a 2TR 2.7 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 2TR 2.7 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right-hand headlight. Left power door mirror. This vehicle's fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light. Bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver's side door appears to have no damage. Right-hand power door mirror. Right-hand guard. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black centre console. Automatic gear shifter. Heater controls, single stack touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.